Are you looking for the best value stocks to own for 2024? Growth stocks have been beating value stocks in the past year, and many investors are wondering which ones will continue to perform well in the future. In this video, I will share with you some of the top value picks from the Wall Street Journal, which interviewed different portfolio managers and asked them to recommend one value stock each. These stocks have attractive valuations and growth potential. Before we begin, I want to remind you that I am not affiliated with the Wall Street Journal or any of the portfolio managers mentioned in this video. This video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. You are responsible for your own investment decisions. Let's start with the first pick, which is JP Morgan Chase. This stock was chosen by BNY Mellon Income Stock Fund, which likes its fundamentals, value, and momentum. JP Morgan Chase is up 15% in the past year, but it still has room to grow. According to the chart analysis, it is currently in the overbought zone, which means it could face some correction in the first quarter of 2024. However, if you buy at the dip, you could see a nice return. The target price for JP Morgan Chase is $199 in 2024. The net debt of the company is $663 billion, and the free cash flow is $117 billion. Although the banking sector has high debt, this is not a problem for JP Morgan Chase, as its debt is only 6 times its free cash flow. The second pick is Bristol Myers Squibb, which was selected by Mullenkamp Fund. This is a fundamentally sound stock from a $100 billion pharmacy giant. It is down 30% in 2023, but I think it has a lot of upside potential in 2024. The target prices for Bristol Myers Squibb are $67 and $85, which represent a 30% to 50% increase from the current level. However, the stock needs some positive news from the company to change the momentum. The net debt of the company is $31.5 billion, and the free cash flow is $11.5 billion. The debt is only 3 times the free cash flow, which is reasonable for a pharmaceutical company. The third pick is Verizon, which was recommended by Columbia Select Large Cap Value. Verizon used to be known for its superior performance, but it has lost some of its edge over its competitors in recent years. However, thanks to its big investments in the 5G spectrum, it should regain its quality advantage and boost its growth numbers in the future. Technically, the stock has crossed above the 200-day simple moving average, which is a bullish sign. If the momentum continues, it could reach $49 in the next 2 quarters. The net debt of the company is $166 billion, and the free cash flow is $16 billion. The debt is 10 times the free cash flow, which is high, but manageable for a telecom company. Personally, I will pass Verizon. The fourth pick in the list is Western Digital Corp, which was chosen by T. Rowe Price Midcap Value. This company has 2 main business segments, hard drives and flash memory. These are both essential components for storing and accessing data in various devices. Western Digital has decided to split into 2 separate public companies by the end of 2024. This move has been welcomed by investors who see it as a way to unlock more value and focus. The free cash flow of the company is negative $1.6 billion, and the net debt is $6.9 billion. These numbers may change after the split, depending on how the assets and liabilities are divided. Technically, the stock has been above the 200-day simple moving average for the last 6 months, which shows a strong uptrend. The target price for Western Digital is $68 in 2024. The fifth and final pick in the list is IQVIA Holdings, which was selected by Oakmark Funds. This is not a very popular stock, but it is a leader in its niche of providing data and analytics, tech solutions, and clinical research services to the life sciences industry. This industry is growing rapidly as more companies are developing new drugs and therapies for various diseases and conditions. IQVIA helps them with data collection, analysis, and management, as well as with conducting clinical trials and regulatory compliance. The company has a market cap of $40 billion. Technically, the stock has been trading sideways for the last year, but it has recently broken above the 200-day simple moving average and is approaching a double top. The target price for IQVIA is $260 in 2024. These are the 5 value stocks that the Wall Street Journal featured in its article. Of course, there are many other value stocks out there, and you should do your own research before investing in any of them. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.